morning, kids. Actually, today is a rainy day. Today, I am going to show you my mom's little garden. Do you have a garden at your home? Come, have a look. Look at this. This is crepe jasmine. You all know this flower, right? This is orchid and it is ixora. We call it as chetti, right? Then this is tulasi. Tulasi is a herb. You all know while we get cold, we use tulasi. Okay. Now it is almanda that we called it as kolambi. Then it is mandara. Mandara is a flower which we can see commonly in Kerala. There's a song in the name of mandara. Ask your parents about that song. Okay. Now look at this. This is the plant of turmeric. Have you seen turmeric? We are using turmeric powder in cooking and for beauty purposes also. You all know it. While I'm showing you different plants, you should notice the changes. Look at the leaves. They are bigger in size and different in shape, right? So you should notice the changes. Now look at this. This is the plant of lemon. Okay, this is a small plant. While it become bigger, we will get a lot of lemon from it. And there is thorns like roses, right? Rose have thorns, right? Likewise, these plants also have thorns. And there is a fragrance of lemon for this leaves of this plant. Okay, while we are smelling, we get the smell of the lemon. This is a small plant of red spinach. You like spinach, right? It is good for eyes. So you should have spinach. Now look at this plant. It is tapioca. Do you know? Tapioca is a root vegetable. And look at the stems. It is different from other plants, right? It is red in color. And look at the shapes of the leaves also. Now it is the plant. We cannot say it is a plant. It's a tree actually. It's a plant of drumsticks. And the leaves. Look at the leaves. It's so tender. The new leaves have came. Okay. So we can eat the leaves. We can eat the flowers, and we can also eat the drumsticks. Okay. So this is mint leaves. You all know mint leaves, right? So it is very fragrant. The leaves are very fragrant, and we use it in our cooking and for making our drinks delicious. Okay. Now it is tulasi. I have already shown this. It is a herb. We can use it for many herbal purposes. Okay, medicinal purposes. Okay. This is the rose plant, and we got many roses from this, but there are only few now. You all like roses, right? But there are thorns in that plant. There are many types of roses. This is the plant of aloe vera. It is used as a medicine and for beauty purposes also. Now look at these plants. These are quite different from normal plants. Look at the stems. They are quite different from normal plants because in this they have stored water for the plant. Okay. Now this is the plant of pepper, and it is come under the climbers. It is climbing over a tree. Now you may wonder why Miss is showing all these things to us, right? Because we are going to study about the plants in our next chapter. Okay, our second chapter is about plants and their uses. That is why I have shown all these plants to you. Okay, I know you all have seen many kinds of plants. You know the uses of plants, but we are going to study it in detail in our second lesson. Are you ready for the class? We can study from the nature itself. Okay. You have seen many plants today, right? Many plants that gives flowers, many plants that give fruits, and some plants give vegetables. Now look at this plant. Can you see this? This is a plant of tomato. Which are the parts that you can identify from this? The leaves, the stem, and finally the root. We cannot see the root always, right? It is under the soil, and we can see the stem and leaves on the top. This root helps this plant to absorb food and water from the soil, and through this stem it distributed to the various parts of the plant, and then the leaves with the help of the sunlight prepare the food for this plant. Okay, you got it? So next class onwards we are going to study about the each parts in detail. Okay, catch you in the next class. Bye.